Alright guys, hope everybody's doing great. We're going to do a little status of the booth. If you look over there, got some bread stick pans and corn stick pans. I've got a Renfro-Ware, the rust resistant large, and a nice little BSR. Go up here, got the rust resistant large skillet there that goes with it. And then we've got some BSR breakfast skillets. Got the Day of the Dead, got a large buck, got the Bold Series Lodge, got a Griswold Fryer, got the Brian up there, got this one right here, which is actually Little Debbie. So they make Little Debbie. Got the Olympic, that's a big griddle, some assorted Cracker Barrel, got the Jolene, another little Cracker Barrel. Over here we've got a National, we've got a Buc-ee's, we've got a couple of Griswolds, and 8 large block and then a 9 small block. Got an Axford broiler, got stacks of skillets, got a Victor right there. It's a really nice one, but it's got a little crack in it. So we've also got Walking Liberty, Dolly, some large egg logos, got a Finex, got the big old turkey, got a 14SK, got a Bear, we've got an IKEA, then we've got some small block 6s there, we've got the big green egg, we've got a number 12 BSR right there. That one's really pretty. And then down here we've got some 10SKs, got a BSR 2-quart, and then we've got the Wagners. We've got 1056s, 1055s, got a stack 1058s. Down here we've got the Instapot, got some stainless, got the Bear humidifier, another Instapot, except that one's sealed and doesn't have a Dutch oven. And then over here we've got a ton of 5s, ton of 3s, some more 5s. Up here we've got some of the nicer corn stick pans. Got a little squash there. And then up here we've got different Dutch ovens. And then we got more Dutch ovens. Then we got some enameled Dutch ovens. And then we got more enameled, which is mostly Le Creuset and I think 1 or 2 stoves in there. Back there's a Le Creuset. Got a BSR fryer right there, a stove right there, grill. And down here we've got a deep fryer right there with the lid. Same thing over here, we've got another one, except this one's a Taiwan. It's made to look like the lodges. Some bacon pans, a stack of griddles, a 3-quart saucepan or stew pot, got a press, got a lamb, got some assorted little stuff. And this is going to be the last stocking because my surgery's Tuesday. Even brought a beer making kit to see if anybody wants it. Let's go over here. We've got a round bottom pot, number 7 Lodge. Got the Ultimate Dutch Oven Junior. That's the one that's got the grill pieces inside. Plus you can violate a chicken if you want in it. Got an old Lodge there. Got the Yellowstone. Got a big Deluxe 14 there. Got 2 12s there. Got 2 10s stacked there. Got a Porky there. Some Spiders stacked there. A couple more Dutch ovens. A spittoon. And then over there I've got a Griswold bottom. But that's about it, guys. It is stacked. I mean, I've got stuff on stuff and stacked up. That over there is full of pans. Hopefully, some people can come and find some stuff to take home with them because I definitely have plenty here for them. Y'all have a great day.